I'm about to show you my citrus detox boost recipe. It's super delicious. You can have it warm or cold. It will wake up your taste buds, and it's going to boost your energy levels. And here's why. This is a flat lay of sliced oranges, grapefruits, and lemons. Arranged in a circular pattern on a white background, sprinkled with fresh mint leaves, it's photographed with bright natural lighting. It really evokes that fresh, clean detox weight loss vibe. And if you are new here, we are all about making healthy living easy, fun, and delicious. So hit that subscribe button so you never miss any of our health and wellness tips or recipes. And let's get started. Here are all the ingredients that you need to make this super refreshing drink. Now let's talk about the benefits of each one of these ingredients. So first up, we have oranges. Oranges are not only delicious and high in vitamin C, but they also contain a special compound called D-limonene. D-limonene is a natural aroma therapeutic that has been shown to help reduce stress, anxiety, and even depression. It also acts as an appetite suppressant and fat burner. Did you know that stress and anxiety can cause weight gain? Well, next time you're feeling stressed, reach for an orange and take a deep breath and relax. Next, grapefruit is a low-calorie, high-fiber fruit that is perfect for those looking to lose weight. One study showed that consuming just half a grapefruit before each meal can lead to a loss of 3 pounds or 1.5 kilograms over 12 weeks. But grapefruit contains a variety of essential nutrients and compounds that promote weight loss. One of them is naringin. Naringin is a flavonoid found in grapefruit that has been shown to help reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and lower blood sugar levels. By reducing inflammation in the body, naringin helps to prevent the accumulation of fat in liver cells, which can lead to fatty liver disease. Naringin also improves insulin sensitivity, which means that the body can better regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. By lowering blood sugar levels, grapefruit can help prevent the body from storing excess sugar as fat, leading to reduced fat accumulation and weight loss. Now let's talk about lemons. Lemons are high in vitamin C and have been shown to aid in digestion, boost metabolism, and help detoxify the body. They're also super astringent, which means that they can help tighten up the skin, reduce puffiness and water retention, and even help with cellulite. Now when it comes to losing weight, the role of lemon juice is twofold. First, lemon juice can help reduce calorie intake by providing a tart and refreshing flavor that can help curb appetite. Second, lemon juice can help speed up the digestion process, which can lead to a feeling of fullness and reduce the likelihood of overeating. Now, studies have shown that the aroma of lemon alone can stimulate the production of gastric juices and bile, which are essential for breaking down and digesting food. Lemon juice also contains pectin, a soluble fiber that slows down the digestion process and promotes a feeling of fullness, which can help reduce calorie intake. Additionally, lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, which has been shown to boost the metabolism and aid in the breakdown of fat. Now let's talk about mint leaves. Now you can use fresh mint leaves, or you can use dried mint leaves. Just use about 1 teaspoon of dried mint leaves. Mint leaves are not only delicious, but they also have a variety of health benefits. It can help with digestion, reduce bloating and water retention, and even help with headaches. The reason why mint is so effective at reducing bloating and water retention is because it contains high levels of menthol. Menthol is a natural compound that relaxes the smooth muscles in the digestive tract, which allows gas to be released and reduces bloating. Menthol also acts as a diuretic, which means that it can help increase urine production and eliminate excess salt and water from the body, which can help reduce water retention. Additionally, mint is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation in the body can lead to increased fluid retention and swelling, especially in the hands and feet. By reducing inflammation, mint can help alleviate these symptoms and improve overall circulation. Okay, now that we've covered all the benefits of the main ingredients, let me show you how to make this delicious detox drink. First, you want to wash thoroughly all of your citrus fruits, and then you're going to cut them into thin slices. I like to cut them into little wedges so you don't have to bite off of it. Then you're going to place all the slices in a blender. Add half a cup of water and blend until you have a smooth consistency. If you like it a little bit thicker, you can add more citrus slices. If you like it a little bit thinner, you can add more water. Then you're going to pour the mixture through a strainer to remove any seeds or pulp. And then you pour the mixture into a glass. And then you add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of grapefruit juice. Give it a good stir, and then enjoy. Now this drink is super versatile. You can have it warm or cold. If you want to have it warm, you can heat it up in the microwave for about 30 seconds, or you can heat it up on the stove on low heat. If you want to have it cold, you can blend all the ingredients with ice cubes and then pour it into a glass filled with ice cubes. Now this drink is best enjoyed on an empty stomach or as a mid-morning pick-me-up. It's also a great addition to any weight loss or detox program. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about the Citrus Detox Boost and how to make it. Remember that small changes like adding a Citrus Detox Boost to your daily routine can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family if you found it helpful. We would love to hear from you in the comments below. What are your favorite healthy drinks for weight loss? Also, check out our website for more health and wellness tips and recipes. Thanks again for joining us, and see you in the next video. You're going to get clear step-by-step instructions on how to do each exercise. You don't need any equipment to do these exercises. All you need is just your body weight and the floor, so there's no excuse that you can't do this workout. Guys, stop ruining your workouts with endless side and back pain. If you do, this is for you.